In this video, we will draw this triangle art. Let's go. Let's import turtle to use the library. Then we set up our screen height, width, and position on our monitor. For the background color, I'm going with black. Next, we instantiate an object to draw. Set the pen speed to 5 to draw a bit faster. And a base color for our pen of white. First, let's draw our basic shape, which is a triangle. We start at the middle of our triangle, so let's draw half a line with a length of 50. Then we turn our pen 120 degrees to the left and draw a full length line of 100. We take another turn of 120 degrees and another full length line, and then close the triangle. Let's see how it looks. Awesome. Next, let's create a function to draw this shape so we don't rewrite our code. I'm going to adjust the code so we can recreate the triangle at any size. So when we use this function, we just need to pass an argument for size. Let's draw our triangle again doing that. Awesome, that works. Now we draw a smaller triangle which is filled with a white color by using the begin fill and end fill function. Next, we turn the angle of our pen with 90 degrees so it faces upwards. Draw a line and then move back to our starting position. Next, we move our pen a bit downwards, reset the angle of our pen, and then draw two smaller triangles. That's it.